Tikman natin ito. It's a natural ripe strawberries right there. So let's try it. It's pretty big right there. It's a big container. So yan siya. Try natin kung masarap. Matamis siya. Hugasan natin. And let's taste it. Ang laki niya, Ma'am She's. Oh. Thumbs up na to right away. Ang tamis niya. Thumbs up. Mom She's, we're gonna try this other hopia right here. It's called hopia combi. Right there, it's ube pastillas. So, try natin to mga Ma'am She's. Tapos, may tea ako dito. Hot water. Tapos, meron tayong peach detox. Right there. It's from Yogi. So, lagyan na natin. This is a caffeine-free. Lagyan natin sa hot water. It smells so good. It smells so good. Ayan siya. From NBT. Right there. Ganyan siya. So, it's a ube pastillas. I bet you matamis na naman to. Let's see. Ayun na yung pastillas. So, the ube part, thumbs up. Yan na yung ube. Ay, the pastillas. Expecting na yung ube pastillas is much sweeter, pero hindi. Yung ube niya mas matamis kaysa sa pastillas. I guess that's why it's combination siya. Ayan, kinombine na natin siya. Thumbs up, Ma'am She's, sarap. Try nyo na to kung nasa Philippines kayo o kung nasan man kayong lugar. Ang BT ng brand niya, Hopia Combo, ube pastillas. So, ganyan siya. Thumbs up siya, Ma'am She's. Try naman natin itong peach detox, okay? Sarap. So, everything today is a thumbs up, Ma'am She's. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. I'll see you next time. God bless.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe if